and you are allowed to change. It does not matter how it started. So this table I got from TikTok Shop. They got me. They got me. For the second time, I've only ordered 2 things off TikTok Shop. But this one, I feel like this was made for me. This is one of those roll around desks and the ones that you could adjust the heights. And I've been wanting one of these. Like, I wanted the motorized one, but I cannot let this go. So let's see how high it gets. Oh, hello. Shit. I feel like I'm at the podium. Hold on. All right, let's adjust this height. I like this. This is a nice quality table. Hold on. Okay. Okay. Hey, I like it. Y'all, let me clean it. Let me clean it, and let's talk while I clean it. So actually, I wanted one of these tables because I be multitasking. I be doing mad stuff at one time. Especially when I'm doing like my skincare in the mornings. Sometimes like I be in my half bathroom. It's right next to my kitchen. So I'll be having my laptop. It's on the kitchen counter and I'm like moving between both rooms. I could be doing my skincare, brushing my teeth or something, but I'm doing something on my laptop. I'm like, yo, I need this laptop. Like I need to carry this bitch like a purse. Like I need her with me at all times. And then late night scrolling on TikTok. And I see this shit. And I think I only paid like like $25. Maybe $27. That was with tax. They had like a little discount, some little coupon, and it was free shipping. It came in like 2-3 days. Hold on. Let's set the table up real quick. Cause I want to talk to y'all. Let's grab the lappy. And I didn't know it was gonna be this big. I did not. Oh my God, this is perfect. I love tables. I love office stuff. I love all types of stuff. Hold on. So let me get the mouse and the mouse pad. Hold on, let me see. I gotta go to the post office. Please. Oh yes. So my yes, I think I like it. I like it. Not even think, I do like it. I do like it. This is perfect for me. Yes. Even if I want to go sit on the couch, this is perfect. And this leads me to something. This is good actually. I'm glad I actually built this on here. So let's talk because I just came up with an analogy. Like this table. Like, let me see. Let me make up a quote. Let me see the message of this video. The message of this video is going to be, you're allowed to change. You are allowed to change and evolve, and your ending does not have to be the same as your beginning. And I'm thinking about this. This table right here. You know, like tables have evolved so much. Like, think about like back in the days, like oldie back. They literally used to like, some tables were like built into the home, like the infrastructure of the home. Like some people used to have their tables nailed to the floor, right? And then they used to be made out of wood. Then you start seeing metal and plastics and all these things. Like, remember, everybody used to have a square table. Normally, a long ass wooden square table, big ass families and stuff. Now there are people with small families, you're able to buy a small circle one with just 2 seats. It's mad different types of tables. The point is, that's what I'm trying to make. The table did not stay the same. Had the table stayed the same, I would not have a mobile table. This is a mobile table with adjustable height. They even have motorized ones. The table did not stay the same. The table did not stay in the family's dining room. No, look at what it has evolved to. Mobile, height adjustable tables. And you are allowed to change. It does not matter how it started. Understand that everything be a part of the plan. Believe it or not, even all the fucked up shit you gotta go through sometimes the shit just be so whack. Like, yo, why me sometimes? It be like that sometimes. But I promise you, everything be a part of the plan. Stay with me. Everything be a part of the plan. Look at all the shit you have overcome and all the shit you did go through. Think about all the good shit too. You can't have good without bad. Like, that's just the way shit is. You need an opposite of something. So everything be a part of the plan. You do not have to stay as the original table that did not have no growth. Nigga, we started having glass tables. You was one of them if you had a glass table in the crib. One of them big, like, I remember those things. But imagine, had the table not evolved, you are allowed to change at any time. At any time. You do not have to stay the same. You do not. You can wake up tomorrow. You can wake up from a power nap in the next 20 minutes. And if you decide this is the day I start learning how to fucking do jujitsu, then so what? You have the power to change. I want people to like really understand. You really like, this is your shit. This world, this life is yours. You are the director. This is your movie. This is your movie. How you scared to go to the next scene? You're writing the movie. You're writing the movie. Like, come on, you don't have to be the same. Like, change, evolve, grow, and who gives a fuck about the past? And if people want to still view you from the past, I just let you know right there, they haven't changed. So please, grow, change, evolve, do whatever it is the fuck you want that makes you happy. Stop worrying about other people's opinions. Stop seeking validation. Yo, do you. I promise you, you will have a much more peaceful life once you just cut out all the other bullshit. Like, seriously, you might have to go and isolate for a little bit. Some people don't even know who they really are. They really are. And I really push people to just explore that. I always I like to have very deep conversations with people. I just be trying to understand shit. I can't only go from my perspective. I need other people's perspective. I just be wanting to know how people think sometimes. Because perception is everything. Perception is everything. This might be some whack shit to somebody. To me, this is the greatest thing. I'm hyped, bitch. I got a podium. The fuck? I'm about to start every YouTube video like this, bitch. I'm Mrs. President. What are we talking about? I'm Mrs. President. I got work to do. So yes, the message of the day is, please do whatever you want. You do not have to stay the same. You do not have to stay the same. You do not have to stay the same. You can rewrite your story every day if you want to. Every day. And who's gonna stop you? Who's gonna say something? And if they do, so bad. They're gonna say something regardless. Whether you evolve and change or stay the same, you're gonna be talked about regardless. Do know that. Do with that information what you will. I love y'all, and I'll see you next time. Bye.